Na sa school nyo, may aircon na?
Yes.
O hindi ka na maiinitan?
I'm still hot.
Oh, ba't hot?
I don't know. I've been feeling less cold and more hot yesterday.
Ano nangyari sa baunan mo? Ha? Di yung ano mo, lagay ng tubig, yung tumbler mo, anong nangyari?
There was ants inside of it.
Hindi mo nainom?
Hey, at least they were gone. They're gone. So I drank it.
Kuya Utol! Nasaan si Kuya Utol? Ayan na si Kuya, oh! Manood na kayo!
What the heck? When did you get those snacks?
Snacks ka rin yan. Nagbili kami ni Utol. Nagusto rin si Utol. Kuha ka dun, kuha ka?
Yes.
Sige.
Yes. Papa, suddenly school's been going real faster. I don't remember being this fast.
Alin doon?
I mean, it was slow last day, but the time went faster.
Hindi tayo dyan. Hindi tayo sa Kuya. Ay, sa si Kuya.
It felt like I went back home in a...
Nag-i-enjoy ka siguro sa school? Nag-i-enjoy ka sa school? Hmm?